Hi, I'm Dave Granger, and I'd like to welcome you to the Guilds Classics. This is a YouTube channel that showcases the various skills, talents, and crafts that the employees here use to restore people's cars. So I saw this old tractor at a farm auction about, I guess about a year ago now, and there was just no way I wasn't going to be bidding on it, and I was very fortunate to be successful on my bid, and I was really pleased. Hadn't seen it, just seen the photographs, and really didn't know that much about it. So I bought it. Then I did the research because that's the way you should do things. And the more I researched it, the more pleased I got with the acquisition. I mean, I didn't buy it for its value or anything. I bought it just because I thought it was cool and I wanted to own it. The Heider company was formed in the teens, maybe a little before that, and their first tractors were basically just a replacement for horses. They came up with this design, I think probably 1915 or 1916. And it was so successful that they rapidly outsold their ability to produce tractors. And so then they spoke to the Rock Island Plow Company, and they were willing to take on the project. So the two companies got together, and Rock Island had the manufacturing ability to keep up with the orders, and they created this. And this one was made in 1917. This would make this one of the first produced by the Rock Island Plow Company in association with Heider, and it's just a tractor of huge charm. One of the things that I find the most charming about this tractor is the way it translates the power from the engine to the wheels. It's a friction drive, and friction drives weren't that common. The only other friction drive vehicle I've ever had anything to do with was a Sears Model X farm buggy. That was like in 1911. Friction drive didn't reign supreme, but it had a real definite place in the American farmlands, because quite often farmers bought tractors and they were a long way away from any help. If a clutch went, they probably didn't have the ability to get the parts quickly or anything. This was a solution to that problem, really. This had a drive system that you could basically, your local blacksmith could help you fix, or you could fix yourself. And the way it worked is, the engine here translates power only to this drum. The drum spins on the back of the motor, and it has this friction band right here on it. On either side of that, you've got two plates. And these plates run in against this. One is forward, one is reverse. You have a governor system here, and there's actually, you see in old, Frankenstein movies, things whirling around with balls on them. Well, those were actually governors used on steam engines and in early gas engines like this. So inside this is three balls on the thing, and the faster they rotate, the balls move outwards as they rotate faster and faster, and as they go out, they hit a point where they literally govern the vehicle. It just won't go any faster once the governor kicks in. All in all, very simple and elegant solutions to a lot of different problems. I hope you enjoyed that video, and if you want more information, visit our podcast. The link is in the description below.